In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 simple ways that you can use to make your bed look luxurious. Please stick around to the end as I will share a bonus tip as well. If you are new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So let's get right into the first tip. Now this tip or method might sound a bit stupid, however, try to make your bed every day. As you wake up in the morning and maybe brush your teeth, wash your face, try to make your bed. Nothing feels good than coming home to a well-made bed. Just imagine you had a long day at work, you forget to spread your bed this morning and you came into a very untidy room. Your bed or bedroom will look luxurious once your bed is well made. Another way that you can use to make your bed or bedroom look luxurious is to invest in white bed linen. Now, why do you think hotels use white bed linen? It's a way to tell you that your bed is clean and fresh. So just imagine you're walking into your room, into a white bed linen room. It will tell you that your bed is clean and fresh. This will elevate the space as well because white, is purity. Normally, even if a hotel is cheap, if you enter a room with white bed linen, you will feel that LUX. White sheets are also associated with relaxation. So once you have white bed linen, it will give you a feel of relaxation. So try to invest in white bed linen. I know some of us might worry that it will get dirty quick, or it will this quick, or it will that quick. But try to invest in those white bed linen. When you're going to bed, you can always remove it, don't sleep on it. Another method that you can use to make your room look luxurious is to invest into comforters or blanket. Now, me personally, I love comforters. However, I am trying to do away with comforters. As a small space renter, I don't have enough space. Under my bed is full with stuff. I have to give away some of my comforters. They are so bulky. So I try my best to stick to more bed sheets or quilt if I can. If you have the space, investing in comforters are great. Comforters elevate your bed. It gives you that LUX feeling. Try to invest in a pair of comforters. They don't have to be too expensive. You just want to get something very neutral that will blend in with any decor piece of your choice. Another way that you can use to elevate the look of your bed as well is to invest into nice fluffy pillows. Investing in nice fluffy pillows will give you that comfortable feel as well. It will bring up little height when you're making the bed as well, and also it will just make your bed look like you're in a hotel room. And since I say invest into pillows, you can invest into cushions as well. Cushions are a great way that you can use to add decor. You can add color to your space as well. So add some decorative cushions. These will make the bed look luxe. Having a nice headboard is another way that you can use to make your bed look luxurious. The headboard doesn't have to be very big and extravagant. It can be a simple DIY headboard. You guys would have seen 2 DIY headboard that I did before. You can use fabric and sponge and so to make your headboard. It doesn't have to be too expensive, but just having a headboard will make your bedroom look luxe. And since I said a headboard, try to have something over your bed, such as a wall piece. Wall piece can be a wall art, it can be a tapestry, it can be some decorative pieces that is over your bed. If you haven't seen my video how to decorate above your bed, if you don't have headboard, please click the link down below. I will share that with you, ways that you can decorate over your bed if you don't have a headboard. But try to invest in an headboard. It can be something very simple. I see many DIY where people get piece of board, paint it and so, and you get a nice headboard. So try to invest into something that can go over your bed. This will make your bed or bedroom look luxurious. Another thing that is very important is to have extra lighting. Don't just use the main lighting that is over your head, which is a ceiling light. Try to get some lighting such as your lamps with different warm light. So there are different ways that you can add lighting. You can use candle, you can use those light up diffusers. Try to add different types of lighting. This will add a little luxe look to your space. It will give you that mood of relaxation and also make you sleep properly. So try to get nice lighting as well. Don't just use your overhead lighting. This will make your bedroom or your bed look luxurious. And for the bonus tip to make your bed or bedroom look luxurious is to get nice curtains. If you're going to use blackout curtains, see if you can get sheer curtains as well, so that you can get a few lighting into your room when in the morning it does a blackout. So curtains can add colors as well to your space, and also a little bit of decor. It is a way to add temporary color to your space. So invest into nice curtains that will make your space look and feel good. These are just a few methods that you can use to elevate the look of your bedroom. If I missed something, please comment down below what did I miss, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love content like this. Since you watched this video, click the video right here. I will share with you ways that you can use to decorate your bedroom. Thank you again for watching. See you on this video.